Here's a step-by-step guide in creating your first crypto wallet. Crypto hot wallets, which are decentralized in nature, has gained significant traction in the cryptocurrency space, offering users the ability to store cryptocurrencies and to access financial services without traditional intermediaries like banks. DeFi wallets, which is decentralized finance wallets, are essential tools for interacting with decentralized applications, or which is also called dApps. Start by selecting a crypto wallet. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, MyEther Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Ensure that the wallet supports the blockchain network you intend to use. Let's say Ethereum for most DeFi applications. Download and install the wallet application from the official website or trusted app store. I'll make use Trust Wallet as an example. Let's go to the official website and I'll download Trust Wallet Google Chrome extension. Then click Add Extension. Once the extension is finished installing, let's open it. Since we are creating our first crypto wallet, let's proceed with Create a New Wallet. Create a very strong password and remember it. This password is used to protect your wallet and also used to access your wallet in the Google Chrome extension. Then we just proceed. Here's your crypto wallet. The very first thing we need to do is to secure your wallet to protect your wallet and funds. Let's click the drop-down button here. Then click Manage Wallets. Then click Backup your secret phrase. Click Show. Then type your password. Then proceed. There will be a 12 words shown. This is called secret phrase or recovery phrase or mnemonic phrase. This list of words is used to generate and recover a cryptocurrency wallet's private keys. It serves as a backup mechanism to restore access to your wallet in case it is lost, stolen, or damaged. Copy these 12 words in a piece of paper and store it very securely. Don't share this recovery phrase to anyone else. If you lost the paper and someone else got access to your crypto wallet, that person can steal all of your funds. This will be your responsibility to keep it safe. Also, it is advised that you do not copy and save these 12 words in your computer or laptop's notepad or any kind of online notebooks, because once you're hacked, your seed phrase are at risk. Congratulations! You have created your own crypto wallet. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer your funds to your crypto wallet. If you like this kind of educational videos, support VideoGate by reposting this video and following our TikTok. You can also join VideoGate Telegram community. Link will be in my bio. And also, if you have friends that wants to learn crypto, blockchain, and Web3, you can share VideoGate to them. Let's grow this community and spread free education to everyone.